Hello, little friends. Today, we are going on a fun adventure to learn 3 magic words in, on, and under. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, here's a basket. Oh wow! There's a little kitten in the basket. The kitten is in the basket. Come sing with me. When something is inside, don't you grin. Just say loudly, it's in. Now, look at this table. What do you see? A book is on the table. The book is on the table. Sing with me. When something is resting, where has it gone? Just say loudly, it's on. Oh no! Where's the puppy? Look, it's hiding under the table. The puppy is under the table. If something is hiding, don't make a blunder. Just say loudly, it's under. Now, let's have some fun. Look at the pictures on the screen and guess the correct word, in, on, or under. Where is the cat? Is it in, on, or under the table? Answer, the cat is on the table. Great job! Let's try another one. Where is the teddy bear? Is it in, on, or under the box? Answer, the teddy bear is in the box. Yay! One more. Where is the ball? Is it in, on, or under the table? Answer, the ball is under the table. Wow! You did an amazing job. Let's remember. In means inside. On means resting on top. Under means below. Let's sing together. In is inside, don't you see? On is on top, just like me. Under means hiding low and free. Now you know them, yippee! Great job, friends! Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next fun video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.